Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to trim text in Excel from right. For example, here are some text in which name and number is combined in one cell. So, we are going to learn how to separate it and how to trim the text from right. So, we will write formula here. Formula is equal. Then write and press tab. Here you can see the formula and you can see you have to select the text. So text is this cell, press comma and then number characters. Number characters mean how many characters you want to save and how many number should remain in this cell. So you can count from here. Total number of characters are 8 including the bracket. So we will write 8 and then close the parenthesis and enter. So you can see only number remains here. Now drag this formula to the end and you can see all the numbers are separated. So this is how to trim text in Excel from right. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.